introduction. Your godfather, your finance. And then if you and me interview way, they should joke. We will match NDC dollar to dollar, pound to pound. Ebi Ibrahim mama beton the cement factory na maye for them to have more money if Sene brother saba. That is how prepared we are. And with that John Dramani Mahama, obi no betimi a challenge here.
But let me find out. Also special resignation letter.
Okay. Me kodru disciplinary committee say me we hono. Almost ampa they don't have any evidence against me for now. No,
evidence. Natural evidence. Why they were trying to
but for the fact say my Bible and say and say my Bible on some day say Bible na than on some. So they didn't have evidence. Party ni almost so many evidence. Na me almost na some my better na me ni no so okay because they are seasoned lawyers and they know say they have to show me evidence and the evidence they have to give it to me and I'll prepare and come and defend myself. Up to now I'm at hono. They say 2 weeks they'll go back to fake and print evidence no more highlight baby e wono and I'm saying catch them say make sure say charm no incompetent of some people put it in writing say either alabi afren they work catch them eye bone and I say alabi ankasa your constitution actually say if you are petitioning against a member you have to put it in writing to the party and the party will serve the person to come and defend, but the party it must be an executive member, not an ordinary person in the party just like me alabi. So I have what it takes to set up a party. Fair, see the party nechi. Me ti eji achirema e ma party ni call if you ask no. Nka metimi aka no kra no de see ya me kan san nka metimi aka no kra no e wo judges nanim but me jete to me so be in the interest of the party call prison by me call you obi amesra
na no kra be na
oh we ya kwa me say me ka achiro mo say so ubu koto kwase a nyankopon hwe woto so mpa achire say omufi so mubu kwase a no omotugu ho What you me chana
me kakra assembly report na aka
ya do me ka say so mudi agro e de eyi no abato no e turn verdict na Edema MPP ekuro no enkoye will not fit in. But the judges knew the omunim relationship with John Dramani Mahama. Omunim the role I play in the party because Crawford can say who na chance so what you say no. Kurasi is to me kasa I have a lot of when to invite me. Say yes na me appoint me a minister me obia. Me pi obia me man country because it's what you can do for your party, not what your party can do for you. Ono mabu me kwasia. Omabu mukwasia me makoda fiase aba mu nyina yeye atoto ada atoto cars ministers say to the extent class ma opposition even local nyame mfa ne currency na odidi party na John Dramani Mahama atenso ye kronfo say mane bo ama mu nyina bo ama mu free MPP no mo kra bejeje positions watch ma kra yanya bi endi me projects na me top projects free ministers ni be empna na mo 10% mpna ministers girlfriends omo the project but me a businessman projects and mama so I didn't worry after all so we are president kura na party opposition
antina NDC wa ba no ton projects my girlfriends
me say girlfriends na de bray me eto omo de ma girlfriends they are not able to as they come and sell to us near I'm just telling you the strike by Yankashi what you say ministers no we are young kwasi adwuma we didn't mind 2016 by we knew that time we said did doors. You remember I was the only person 2016 that went say the John enye careful because the ministers knew were stupid. Their behavior would take us to opposition. And as Samokai, I knew what was happening. I knew why we lost. And now John Mahama ulusu yanu nyinano they rallied behind you say ye pesi ma another chance. They want to bargain and get the running mate in their corners. Also be any such the mention so into okofa sa maame ne ba I'm telling you what happened na omujia ma John Lucy ye no okofa maame ne ba ye no it's a big blow to them because a binuma contest no okay Alabi had the opportunity to be a campaign manager into no need to John Dramani Mahama ti John to say pepe ni one e krama e kojom no ayeko afuom no he did all he wanted to know say me masa ni me krama ni so that he will prepare himself for after 2024 so he didn't work and campaign manager it is your responsibility at D-Day the only place you be is the EC strong room to make sure say candidate na your campaign manager no they also onya he was nowhere to be found. No day did I ever see a campaign manager even say we be na no issue statement say me candidate ni say No day did I ever hear say or no why issue statement say after our loss it never happened. Campaign manager, you know who a campaign manager is? You are a strategist. The buck stops on you. That is why the candidate says, come and manage me. My flaws, my weakness, my direction, it's the box stops on you. As a matter of fact, the power invested in the candidate, is the same power invested in you as the campaign manager, that anywhere you can invoke it, just as you can invoke those authority, just as Jim Mensa Ayer. Are you getting where I'm going? Yeah. That never happened. And you want all the 6 million NDC voters to sit and quietly look at you people. Some of bear man and so on, that we shouldn't talk. They are not above criticism from the leader himself. But leader Nokrano, John Dramani Mahama, I was said in effect, so Tiemia, sack all your office staff, from your managers to whatever at your office. They are useless. They are very, very useless, because they were also supposed to say, almost coordinated with the Awo Musketeers now. Abandoned post. John Dramani Mahama office should have been on their toes. The office director. So within that 3 hours, are they saying so Obia and communicating with easy room say Yankro no more honomono? Are they there? Is everything going all right? Obi Sanim
NDC for Beko. Hey, and so share ho, and yashi Yabeko Mufengu and Yankoko. Hey, sir. Intimodi de Biano, we Bukashi, na Bukashi, and Unqua. There be. Yana Bukashi Nquan. NDC enye na bukashi nkwa toda mo mama dwene no enye djuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odema mo no be ya djuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen same jamfi enso same jamfi be ba be ka asem a kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ya djuma enkosi da ben mo be kokot afi mo wen mugase eko when Muguasia, I feed the mother to me. Okay. Now, me baha na me bekasa. Na se man can't miss me party as someone. Mr. A. Kwekuado, and hold on who's a president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president, say, he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting, say, since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? I still don't get you guys. At the end of bia, minion way be biano, and say yen tro, and say yen nada, and say ye wickedness, just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so will be bia bonnet. Now, and almost signed the question petition. I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mube brino ye yare a refre idea where you are setting up panel and my ye refre idea term because I would assume for 4 or 5 years. Nenya miada Roma will be a ba. That's a 4 or 5 years. What a haimu I won't consume. Nenya miama opportunity say, Koda send ni payas say, where to me the hanya see so from fear 9. Na sa woko to abeti ana say wo pedi odi dum so eba ye ma wo business say ye wo mewu ye yi wo kunadi ye ewa adwuma ye yi wo ye di just say hairdressers for barber for wine ice water for ice cream for ni na ho kire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana, and anyone that was in Ghana anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. It is a free sa adie ni muninafi na sen enfie 920 because na na akufo ado aba wo kan yesi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light di sua ade enti no owi afi se na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo ene bedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mo a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika omunim nyansa omudibu my na mbom in terms of sika no mo scan wo mo ene bedi o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika ye mfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. We've seen so many people, I know Muska, but it's not some bad managers into Musika and to me and they and survival or form. We see this day in, day out, day in, day out. Into Seminia, say end this neighbor. Now, so see your court already know why a press conference is where we say where we